now example 5 જોઈએ. example 5 d3y upon dx cube minus plus y equal to 0. Okay, d3y upon dx cube plus y equal to 0. So first of all, what we do? d cube plus 1 equal to 0, right? d cube by plus y common, right? So we get the factor like this: d plus 1 d square minus d plus 1 equal to 0. We have this formula, right? Okay, so we have these things: d बराबर -1. Okay, now આનો કોઈ ફેક્ટર નથી પડતો, તો શું ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરવો પડશે આપણે? ફોર્મ્યુલા we have d બરાબર -b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula here a बराबर 1 coefficient, b बराबर -1 and c बराबर also 1, right? b बराबर આનો coefficient -1 અને c बराबर 1. અહીં મૂકી આપણે -1 root of b square એટલે 1, 4ac એટલે 4 upon 2a એટલે 2, right? So 4 માંથી √3, but minus that means 1 plus or minus અહીંયા શું આવશે? √3i by 2, right? Because of અહીંયા શું આવશે? root of -3, so minus root એટલે શું થાય? I, right? This is our d. So we get 1 plus or minus √3i by 2, right? Otherwise we can write like this: 1 by 2 √3 by 2i. We can compare this with d बराबर a plus or minus ib. So we have a बराबर 1 by 2, b बराबर √3 by 2, right? Now we put the value on main formula. Y बराबर this function 1, that means c1 e raised to minus x plus e raised to ax, right? So આવશે e raised to ax, a શું છે? 1 by 2 is 1 by 2x. અહીંયા શું આવશે? c1 જગ્યાએ c2 cos bx, b એટલે √3 by 2x plus c3 sin bx, right? c3 sin bx, c2 cos bx plus c3 sin bx. This is our general solutions, right? remove કરવાનું છે, આઈડિયા બનાવો. Okay.